As usual, we start the speed test with both the phones in airplane mode with no apps running in the background and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The OnePlus 5T has been a long reigning champion in our speed test, but now there's a new kid on the block. If there was any smartphone that could dethrone the 5T, it's probably the OnePlus 6 itself. Both the OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 6 have 8GB of RAM. The 5T is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 835, while the OnePlus 6 is powered by a Snapdragon 845, also with 8 cores from Qualcomm. The OnePlus 6 is running Oxygen OS 5.1.5, while the 5T is on 5.1.2, but both are running on Android 8.1.0. The other difference between both the phones is in terms of the number of vertical pixels that they have to push. The 19:9 aspect ratio results in 2080 pixels on the OnePlus 6, while the number of vertical pixels is 2160 on the OnePlus 5T that has an 18:9 aspect ratio. Both the phones finished lap 1 very close to each other. OnePlus 6 did it in 1 minute and 37 seconds and came at first, while OnePlus 5T did it in 1 minute and 39 seconds. In lap 2, we check RAM management abilities and the capability to redraw apps from memory by reopening them in reverse. Both the phones managed to reopen all apps from memory without any issues. The OnePlus 6 finished lap 2 first as well and becomes our new speed test champion with a time of 1 minute and 57 seconds compared to the 5T, which finished second with a time of 1 minute and 59 seconds. This shows that despite the newer processor, it's actually pretty hard to find a major difference between two phones even when put under heavy load such as this. 2 seconds faster doesn't translate to much in terms of real world usage. It also means that there will be practically little benefit if you're jumping from a OnePlus 5T to the OnePlus 6 purely in terms of speed and performance when app loading times and memory management is concerned. You can find the purchase links for both the smartphones from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.